Hello guys, in this video I will try to explain a question answering, and that it says, is it worth to invest in dividend stocks? I had made a video before about dividend stocks. Now dividend stocks are just a stock. It's like a company that gives dividend each year. Now, dividend is like a percentage for, let's say, 2%, okay, each year. Now, in order to make it very simple, let's say the stock is $100, okay? So each year you will get $2 as dividend, which is like profit. Now, so I'm sorry for this. $100 each year you will get $2 as dividend, as profit. Okay. Now, for example, you buy 100 shares, 100 shares for $10,000. Okay. Now, how much you get as dividend each year? You will get $200 each year. Okay. So the problem here about dividend stock that the people they don't understand is that, okay, each year this distribution of dividend is by quarter. Okay, it means they divide this $2 and they give you, for example, 50 cents, okay, each quarter. It means like 3 months. Now, this is 3 months. Now, so by quarter, they give you 50 cents, and so by the year, they will give you $2 for each $100 as a share. Now, this 50 cents, here is the trick. The people who invest in dividend, they don't realize that this 50 cents is taken from the $100. Okay, let's say this $100 minus 50 cents each quarter equals, okay, equals 99.50. So all your money is 99.50 and they give you 50 cents. Okay, and the price for anybody else it's 99.50, and this 50 cents they give it to you. Now when they give it to you, this is what you call dividend. So do you understand? In each quarter. So suppose in the year you take $2, just an example. So you take $2 and you would have 98 $98. This is the share price, because each time they take 50 cents from the $100. That's why I give you something that you can think of when you are doing investing in dividend. The X date, what we call the X date, which the date they don't give you no money if you don't hold the stock. You see that the stock drops in price. Okay, for example, yesterday it was $100. They take 50 cents, and in the morning you will see that the price is 99.50. It can go down or it can go up, depends on the traders. Okay, so this money is always taken from the price of the stock. Okay, so this is understood. Now suppose that the price of the stock goes, for example, to $90 a share. Okay, short sellers or some people, they sell their stock or something, and there is a drop. So you will lose capital gain. Okay, capital gain, because you lose from your capital, and you lose from your dividend, because they will not give you 50 cents, they give you maybe less, because 2% out of 90 is not 2% out of 100. Okay, this is another thing. Now I have a question to the people who are investing in dividend. I have seen some people who are having online channels and explaining how to get dividend from stocks, how to invest, and a question, a very important question: how much money you need, okay, in order to live from dividend? Okay, how much money you need? Suppose that you invest too much money in the stock market, and you are investing only for this dividend. Let's say you have $100,000. Okay, this is your capital, and they give you 2%. Okay, so what is it? 2% out of 100 is $2,000 a year. Okay, $2,000 a year. $100,000 for $2,000 a year. This is not a good investment. Plus, if the price of the stock goes down, for example, from $100 to 90, you will lose more money. For example, if the price goes to, let's say 90 a share, and you have $100,000, you will lose $9,000. Okay, $9,000, you lose it, loss. And then you have 2,000, so in general you lose $7,000 a year. So $1,000 a year. This is if the stock goes down. So for me, investing in dividend is not a good choice. The good choice is you invest for companies that has both, okay, both capital gain and dividend. This could be good, because if the stock was $100 up to 120 in a year, okay, one in a year, plus, okay, plus the dividend, which is 2%, which is 2%. This could be a good investment, okay, good investment, because I'm not relying on the dividend by themselves, but I'm relying on the capital gain. This is what the traders do. They are looking for capital gain very quick. They are not going to wait one year for 2%. 2% with the inflation 3%, you are losing money. Okay? So for all, just an advice for all the people who are doing dividend, they should search for stocks that can have capital gain. It means they can grow from 100 to 120 to 200 or something. There is a capital gain. The price of the stock share is going up day by day, or 1 month or year by year. That's why you will have more money. And 100,000 to put it in a stock or stocks and to have 2%, this is too much. It means you are just wasting your time all your life. Okay? You are doing nothing than giving your money to some people without any profits. Okay? Now hope this lesson or this video clarify a lot of things about dividend. If you have a specific question, please ask. We can debate this subject, because there are a lot of people who they invest in dividend stocks, but they don't know for real how this works for them. So they just follow some other people and they mislead them. Okay, they give them false information, and this false information doesn't help them grow their capital. Okay, so please, if you have any question, just ask. I will be glad to answer any question. Thank you very much.